In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to Squarespace, and we'll do it all in just a few minutes. This process might seem a bit daunting if you haven't done it before, but I'll guide you step by step so you'll be set up in no time. Step 1. Login. Start by logging into your Squarespace account. On the home page, click the Login button. You'll see several sign-in options. Today, we'll choose Continue with Google. This is a quick and secure way to log in if you already use Google services. Simply select your Google account and you'll be directed to your Squarespace dashboard. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your websites. Click on the site you want to connect your domain to. This will take you to the management dashboard for that site. Step 2. Access domain settings. Next, head into Settings in the Control panel, usually found in the left-hand menu. In the Settings menu, locate and click Domains and Email. This section lets you manage everything related to domains and connected email services. Here you'll see an overview of all domains associated with your Squarespace site. Click Domains to continue, then look for Use a Domain I Own. Selecting this allows you to connect a domain you've registered elsewhere, like GoDaddy or Namecheap, to your Squarespace site. Step 3. Enter your domain. A prompt will appear asking you to enter your domain. Type it carefully to avoid any errors, then click the right arrow or next button to proceed. This ensures Squarespace recognizes the domain you entered. Step 4. Connect your domain now. Click Connect Domain. This initiates the linking process between your domain and Squarespace account. Squarespace will provide the necessary DNS records that you need to update with your domain registrar. Make sure to follow all on-screen instructions carefully to finalize the connection. Step 5. Final steps. That's it. You've successfully started connecting your domain to Squarespace. Keep in mind that DNS updates may take some time to fully propagate across the internet. Check your site after a few hours to make sure everything is working properly. If there are any issues, Squarespace offers plenty of support and resources to help you resolve them. Thanks for watching, and happy building!